Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore 5 intimate positions that older women love. These positions are designed to create deep, meaningful moments that will take your connection to the next level. They're not just about physical intimacy, but about fostering emotional connection and closeness. As we age, our priorities and preferences may change, but the importance of intimacy remains. Intimacy is about more than just physical connection, it's about emotional bonding, trust, and communication. By exploring new positions and techniques, couples can reignite their spark and deepen their connection. The spooning position is one of the most comforting and intimate options for couples, emphasizing closeness and emotional connection. Both partners lie on their sides, facing the same direction, with the man positioned behind the woman. His body curves naturally around hers, resembling the way spoons nestle together in a drawer, hence the name. The physical contact in this position is continuous, with the man's chest against the woman's back and his arms wrapped gently around her. This creates a sense of security and warmth, making it particularly appealing for those who enjoy a slower, more relaxed pace. The first benefit of the spooning position is physical comfort. The sidling posture eliminates strain on joints or muscles, making it a perfect choice for when you want to focus on gentle movements. The lack of intense effort means you can savor the moment without feeling rushed or uncomfortable. Closeness and connection are also fostered through full body contact, allowing for a deep sense of intimacy. The woman feels enveloped in her partner's embrace, and the man has the opportunity to hold her close, enhancing emotional connection. Both partners can subtly adjust the angle and depth to suit their comfort, and the man can use his hands to caress the woman's body or hold her hips, further enhancing the experience. Many older women find the spooning position particularly enjoyable because of its tender and nurturing vibe. It's not about intensity or exertion, it's about sharing a moment of closeness and relaxation. The slower pace allows both partners to focus on sensation and connection, making it a go-to for romantic, low-pressure moments. The modified missionary position is a thoughtful variation of the classic missionary position, designed to enhance comfort and pleasure for both partners while maintaining its intimate and emotional qualities. In this position, the man is on top, and a pillow or cushion is placed under the woman's hips to slightly elevate her pelvis. This subtle adjustment brings a host of benefits that make this position even more enjoyable. The first 3 positions we've discussed, the spooning position, modified missionary position, and sideline scissors position, offer a range of benefits, from comfort and relaxation to intimacy and emotional connection. By incorporating these positions into your intimate routine, you can enhance your physical and emotional connection with your partner. The reclining cowgirl position is a versatile and relaxed variation of the traditional cowgirl position, offering a mix of comfort and intimacy. In this position, the woman sits on top of her partner, but leans back slightly instead of sitting fully upright. She can support herself using her hands on the bed, a sturdy surface, or a headboard, which reduces strain on her thighs and back. This slight recline not only shifts the physical effort but also changes the angle of contact, often enhancing sensations for both partners. The face-to-face sitting position is an intimate and romantic position that's perfect for couples looking to deepen their connection while maintaining physical closeness. Both partners sit facing each other, either on a sturdy chair or at the edge of the bed. The closeness of this position fosters emotional bonding, making it an excellent choice for those who value eye contact and gentle physical touch. Remember, intimacy is a journey, not a destination. By prioritizing communication, trust, and emotional connection, you can create a deeper, more fulfilling relationship. Don't be afraid to explore new positions and techniques, and don't forget to have fun. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on intimacy and relationships.